In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the color of notes in Instagram. First, make sure your Instagram app is up to date. Color features like this often roll out in newer versions. So if you haven't updated in a while, head to your device's app store and update Instagram before you start. Once that's done, open the Instagram app and log in if you aren't already. From your main home feed, look to the top of the screen where you normally see stories. Right above that area, you should see the Notes section. This is where you can post those short little messages that appear to your followers or close friends. Tap on the Notes area to open it. Here, you'll either see your current note, if you've already posted one, or an option to create a new note. If you already have a note and want to change its color, you'll usually need to start by removing or replacing that note. Tap on your existing note, then choose the option to delete or clear it, so you can create a fresh one with your new color. Now, tap to create a new note. A small text box will appear where you can type your message. Go ahead and type whatever you want your note to say. Keep in mind that notes are short and temporary, so a quick phrase, reminder, or status update works best. Once you've written your message, look for any icons or options that relate to styling or appearance. Depending on your version of the app, you may see color circles, a palette icon, or theme options. Tap through these to preview different color choices for your note. As you tap each color, you should see the background or accent color of your note change in real time, giving you a quick idea of how it will look to others. Take a moment to try a few different colors and pick the one that matches your mood or fits the message you're sharing. If you don't see any color options at all, it may mean the feature hasn't rolled out to your account or region yet. So keep your app updated and check back later. When you're happy with the color and text, choose who can see your note, such as all followers you follow back, or just your close friends. Finally, tap the option to share or post your note. Your new, colored Instagram note is now live and visible to the people you selected.